Part 2. How Komprise helps you solve the 7 problems associated with cloud data migrations. In part 1 of this series, we looked at the 7 reasons why cloud data migrations fail. We saw that the number one reason why they fail is because every migration is approached as an one-off, complex, ad hoc process. We also saw that insufficient planning, picking the correct cloud storage option at the right time, reducing downtime impact, and reducing the overall time a data migration takes, and preserving data integrity are all really difficult problems to handle. Well, one way to solve all of these is to take data migrations and approach them as part of a complete data lifecycle using an analytics-driven data management software solution to manage your data migration for you. This is what Komprise provides. It's a piece of software that analyzes all your data, shows you what you have, and helps you move and manage your data efficiently throughout its life cycle so that migrating data to the cloud is simply one part of your complete data journey. So using Komprise, you can understand how much of your data is hot, how much of your data is cold, who's using your data, how fast it's growing, how much you can save by moving to the cloud, and which cloud storage options to pick as the right mix for your data. And then you can run a data migration through Komprise, and Komprise actually does all the heavy lifting for you. It manages multiple iterations of the migration. It ensures that there's an MD5 checksum on every single file, that all the metadata and access controls are migrated over to the new environment correctly. It ensures that if there's a network failure or storage failure or slowdown at any time, it retries and handles all of that. So all the difficulty and the error-prone elements of the data migration are automated, so it makes it simple for you to manage the migration. So those 7 problems that we solve with data migration can all be addressed through an analytics-driven data migration and data management solution like Komprise, because you first get to understand what you have and you get to plan your data migration efficiently. You also get to preserve data integrity by maintaining all the metadata and maintaining the integrity of every single file that is migrated. And all those issues that we saw with data migrations taking a lot of time and resulting in sunk costs are eliminated with a solution that automatically parallelizes and leverages the nature of your data and manages petabytes of data migrations seamlessly through intelligent automation. And you could speed up your migration over free tools like Robocopy or rsync with this kind of automated intelligent data management solution that is shown to be over 27 times faster than the free tools. So how can you eliminate the 7 issues that we saw with cloud data migrations? Using an analytics-driven data management software, you take a complex ad hoc one-off process and make it just a part of a streamlined data management solution. You take out the issues of insufficient planning by giving IT insight with an analytics-driven solution. You make it easy to pick the right cloud storage option at the right time with a solution that optimizes for all the costs, so you don't have to have a PhD in retrieval and withdrawal costs to understand how much it's going to cost you to use different cloud storage classes for your data. You eliminate downtime by having a solution that in the background migrates data and runs multiple iterations so that you can do an efficient cutover in a few hours as opposed to weeks and months. You eliminate all the time and the effort that IT has to spend in a migration by automating the process with an easy set it and forget it kind of approach as we saw with Komprise. You ensure that data integrity is preserved because the solution is reporting on things like MD5 checksums on every single file. And it's handling the differences in the different file systems so you don't have to worry about it. You eliminate sunk costs by not having to buy a separate data migration solution for each data migration, or having your IT having to spend thousands and thousands of hours babysitting a free product. By using a data management software, you're just making data migrations yet another part of an ongoing data lifecycle management process. So I hope this was useful for you. And to actually download this checklist and use it for your next data migration, click on this link and get your cloud data migration checklist.